nangyari, ito pa isa, going back to the bear market. The bear and market natin, always naman din tayong tinatakot nun. Tinatakot ng bear market na yan. Diba? Sorry, yung mga drop. Kasi based on history, saan ba tayo nakakita ng sharp drop ng market? Diba? Always tayo nakakakita saan? Between these red periods, no? June, July, no? September and October. So maraming drop pa tayong may encounter na tatakutin ka ng mga manipulators. Kasi for you, if you are handling very good companies, your stock market, even nga ako natakot nag-release ako, nagbinenta ko yung ASIN ko guys. Diba? Tapos bumili na lang ulit ako kaninang morning. Natakot, sabi ko, si Warren Buffett, nagbebenta ng stocks. Nagbebenta siya and all of that. May nakikita. Dami ka nakikita. So, okay, I need to go back. Ano ba nangyayari? So, eto. So, yun. Ngayon, with this kind of data, parang okay, opportunity to for me to buy those companies that naiwan ako at kailangan, gusto kong bilhin. Or to trade, the bounce trade that the market will give us. Bumili nga ako ng Ethereum ulit eh. Naghihintay nga ako ng mga stocks ko. Eh, tingnan nyo nangyari after. Diba? After this. Ni-recover naman agad ni market at technical bounce. Wala siyang pakialam sa nangyari at ni-recover naman niya technically. So, this kind of noise, of course, if you are holding naman din good company, sabihin natin, let's yan, SP500. Yeah. We are really in the correction period. But it doesn't mean na nasa full recession tayo or panic tayo. Actually, opportunity to. Kasi people who actually wait for the opportunity na mga ganyan are people who actually make money in the market long term. Why? That's the market psychology. People, of course, na natatakot, na akala nila, di ba, people buy, people who actually sumasabay out of euphoria is your financial greatest risk. But, of course, this kind of market, nasa full-blown bull market pa tayo, yung mga overshoot na yan at nagko-correct, dapat talagang sinasalo natin. If we're a backup with very good companies sa stock market, bibili tayo ng mga discounted pa, mas maganda pa rin mag-long kasi ano pa din yan, bull market pa din talaga tayo sa indices. And technically, of course, pag nasa trend naman tayo, okay lang tayo bumili doon.